So you might be running into this problem with an Instagram where it keeps asking you to enter a previous password of some sort. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this might end up happening is because possibly there may have been some sort of a data breach or a account recovery compromised thing for the most part. And if Instagram detects that, it's going to try its best to kind of secure your information and to make sure nobody's able to steal your information. And if this kind of ends up being the case, you usually might just have to kind of wait it out until they end up until either you enter in the password or you try updating Instagram. So it could be one of those two things. So number one, if you are getting a pop-up like this that is telling you to enter your previous password, just know that it is kind of normal and they just ask for a previous password because sometimes some people might be trying to, maliciously take over your account or hack your account or anything like that. And Instagram just wants to make sure that you're not the hacker and that you have access to your actual account. So it's just a security precaution. Sometimes what you can also try doing though is make your way over into your App Store or your Google Play Store. Click on the search bar. You can try seeing if you can update Instagram. So try updating the Instagram application. And that could be one thing that can also end up fixing the problem for you as well. So try updating the application. You can see if that ends up working. But usually you will have to probably input a password of some sort if you're trying to get access to that account, because Instagram just wants to know that you are the rightful owner of that particular account. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.